I always heard the term insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. And it wasn't until a few weeks ago that actually hit me. If you're new here, I go by ranks. I'm a digital nomad. And just a few short weeks ago, my job was telling me that because I moved to Thailand and the cost of living was lower here, that they were going to be cutting my salary. When they told me that, I was devastated. I was confused. I was on my way to being overworked and underpaid. I was already barely making it. How are you going to take my money from me like that? But I really couldn't worry about that. And it was in that moment that I had to figure out a way that I could make this thing work for me and my wife to stay out here in Thailand. And I initially had the thought to go and apply online for another remote position. And it would have been insane for me to go and apply for another remote position, knowing the predicament that my job just put me in. So I had to figure out another way to make some income over here in Thailand. And it wasn't until I discovered this blueprint that everything changed for me. I realized I didn't have to feel none of those negative emotions. I didn't have to worry about them cutting my paycheck because this blueprint was going to teach me the skills that I needed to go out here and make extra money online. So I plugged into the blueprint and I started following the blueprint, and guess what? I started having results. I got a notification that I got my first sale. And after that, it was a wrap. Since then, I made extra $1,100. This has definitely relieved so much stress off of me because now I don't have to worry about anything. And I'm on a different path, a path to true freedom. And I wanted to share this with you because maybe you are in a predicament where your back is up against the wall and you're desperate and you're sick and tired of being on the same hamster wheel, doing the same insane things, looking for different results. If that's you and you're ready for change, drop me a 1. I would absolutely love to share this blueprint with you that's changing my life. Remember, if you don't never change, things will never change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.